Hey guys, how's it going? The G-Man from Texas here again. Hey, first of all, thanks a lot to those subscribers. Hit that subscribe button on my new channel. It's creeping up there little by little. Hey, today I'm here in East Texas. It's raining under the carport. I'm going to change the prop on my bass boat. I've got a Bass Tracker Pro 170 with a 50 horsepower Merc on it. Came with an aluminum prop. Just couldn't take the legs out here. I was fishing out at Lake Fork. It's a forest down there under the water. So many hazards. Prop hit one of them stumps and just broke it. So I'm replacing it with a stainless steel prop. So hey, if you want to see me do it, come with me. Alright, so this is the new propeller I got from Turning Point. It's 3-blade stainless steel. According to their commercial, it's fastest prop on the water. Now, I'm not worried about speed. I just want to replace my aluminum prop with something better. That's the hub I got from them too. And I bought these from Boat ID. The guys there, they were really friendly, really helpful. Customer service, pick up the phone. I recommend them, really. They shipped it right away. We're gonna use it. All right, so here's what I did, guys. Shaved off the top of 2 of the blades. I'm assuming I hit a stump, so I heard the big thump. I don't know what happened. It's just, you know, I believe these are aluminum. Very flimsy. So I'm going to change this baby to the new stainless steel prop. Let's get to it. There you go. This is the new prop I got from Turning Point. It's a Mach 3 Express. For the 50 horsepower Merc, this is the one that the manufacturer told me. Called him, talked to the guy. Is the 10.5 by 13. I also got the spindles gonna go right in there. Let's do it. Looks nice, ain't it? Okay, first I gotta open these tabs on the safety washer here. It prevents the nut from coming off when you're hitting on reverse. So I just open those up a little bit. There we go. That should be good enough. All right. This is 15-16 socket. And to prevent this from turning, I'm going to use a wood block against the blade here. Do it. Well, this thing was softer than what I thought. I wonder if it's supposed to be this soft. They say you have to tighten it to 55 pounds of pressure. I don't have a torque wrench, but people are telling me that it's supposed to be pretty snug. So I got the nut out. We're going to take the safety washer off here. Come on, baby. All right. Sides, if I can get the whole prop out right this time. Look at that. Comes right off. Comes right off. I got a hub to replace this too. And this thrust washer here seems to be okay. Don't see any nick, any marks on it, so that should be fine. Alright, so we get our new hub number 11. Oops. Now this hub comes for Mercury, but it also comes for Evinrude and other props. So it's got some extra parts that I'm not going to need. I look like these because I'm using it for a Merc. So according to these instructions, go to Mercury. It only shows 2 parts. Unlike the Suzuki and Evinrude, is showing all these other little parts. So I'm going to put these aside, and I don't think we're going to use them. Alright. Okay, so we get the new hub. Only goes one way. It's got some ridges in there, and of course can go this way, so that's easy. Find the slots and right in there. Okay. Then, according to instructions, this piece goes right on top. And we'll put that after we insert it on the spindle. You want to use some marine grease on that spindle to avoid corrosion, and everybody recommends it. So I got this from Amazon, Extreme Grease. I can do that now. Alright, so put some of this grease in there. Guys, don't be afraid to get your fingers dirty. Don't have to go overboard with it. Just a little bit there. Mostly for corrosion avoidance. And that should do it. Alright, so we come here, slide that baby in there. There you go. And now we put, instead of the original, whatever you call this, it comes with this plastic. I'll put that next. So we're replacing this with this plastic one. As you can see, it's got these 2 knobs where the safety washer is going to go. Right? This is the age of plastic, guys. What can I tell you? Well, the idea of these plastic hubs, you know, it's something happens, you got a lot of stress on the prop, hit something really big, the plastic will go and it'll save your lower unit. So that's the idea. Alright, so we put our safety washer and re-thread the nut. Okay, so now we're going to tighten it up. Okay. Like I said, guys, I don't have a torque wrench, but 55 pounds. It's supposed to be really snug. This thing was loose, so I don't know what happened. Alright, we're going to reposition our block of wood there to stop the propeller from turning, and we're going to go to town on this. Seems like a simple process. The proof, like I always say, is in the pudding. We're going to take this baby out in the lake and see what it does. Hopefully the prop won't fall off. Now I was getting with the standard OEM aluminum prop, I was getting 32 miles an hour out there. So we're going to see what we get with this one. Like I said, I'm not looking for more speed or anything. I'm just looking for a better prop. Okay. I want to torque this kind of snug, guys. Hey, Hey, Star. Get out of the camera, baby. All right, so here we go. All right. I'm going to say that's 55 pounds. What do you think, guys? And now we're going to put these tabs back in place. All right. And I think we're done, guys. Time to take her out there and give her a test. All right, so we're gonna see how fast it goes on plane and what the speed and how it performs out here. Now, if the prop falls off, we'll have to go back in with the trolling motor. Are you ready for this? Here we go, guys. Right by the thing there. Looks like I just hit a stump. Right by the boat lamps. I tell you, this Lake Ford is dangerous. Right by the buoy. Alright, so we got about almost 35 miles an hour, so I got about 3-4 miles an hour more out of the prop. We got on plane really fast. But even though I was right by the buoys, it looks like I did hit something. I hit a stump or something, so I want to check out what happened to the prop. This Lake Ford, it's full of hazards. I was 10-15 feet from the buoy and still got a big thump. So we're going to check out and see if anything happened to that prop. Seems to be okay on this side. Check the other side. That seems to be all right too. No scratches, nothing. So if it would have been the aluminum prop like last time, it would have been a goner. All right. Well, there you go, folks. The prop gave me about 2-3 more miles per hour than I had with the aluminum. It went on plane really fast. I hit a stump at full speed and not a scratch on the prop. And the most important thing, it didn't fall off. So I must have done something right. I hope this video helped somebody. Thanks for watching, and really thank you to those guys who are actually subscribing to my new channel. I appreciate it, guys. From East Texas, this is the G-Man from Texas saying till next time, peace, y'all.